guys, a day at work with real mobile car cleaning services be like. Today's booking order was for 8 a.m. to 9:50 a.m. at Magodo. What we do as a mobile car wash company, we come to your doorstep and give you a full detailed car cleaning service. Guess what? Just at your convenience. It's time saving and very efficient. Book an appointment with us on 09041381190. Alex, can you turn with style? Turn this way so that they will see the uniform. Hey, what? Thank you. You see what this one is? At the top, let me see the uniform. We are not coming.
Okay.
It's okay. Hello, good afternoon, sir. This is REO from REO Mobile Car Cleaning Services. Are you available, sir?
No. I need the money, but right now I'm about to go.
Oh, okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow by what time, sir?
In the morning, like 9:10.
9-10 o'clock. Okay. No problem, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Bye.